Hey YouTube, this is TechDeck1019. I'm showing you my scooter right now. As you can see, got new grip tape, my bars, this is my deck, my brake, my ODIs. They are purple ODIs, I got them today, not fake. Got the bar end. You can see my scooter razor. The cool thing I like about the scooter is just like, it's only 40 bucks. You can customize it and all that. I'm getting the MGP soon. See, look. Razor wheels. Shit. If you can see under my deck, scratched up. I grind a lot. Yep, this is just a baby right now. Thanks, YouTube. I'll be making more YouTube videos. Thanks.
Here today might just happen to be the day before the deal stops.